Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Nigerian jollof rice. That's smoky patty jollof rice. Let's get straight into the video. For this recipe, I'll be using some fresh peppers, tomatoes, onions and carrots. I'll cut them into smaller sizes, transfer into my pan on the fire, add some salt, some thyme, curry powder and some vegetable oil. I'll be stir-frying the tomatoes until they look very soft. This process makes the tomatoes infused with a lot of flavor and very tasty before we use it for the rice. This recipe is a perfect one for Nigerian jollof rice. This recipe will make your rice come out flavorful, very tasty and delicious. It is a banger. This is a game changer. Try this, adding some carrots in your jollof rice and you will never stop using this recipe. When you fry the tomatoes to the point that it is very soft and tender, scoop into a bowl, set aside to cool, then blend. Make sure you blend the tomatoes and the peppers into a very smooth consistency. Then the next thing I will do is to put a pot on the fire, add some vegetable oil into it, good amount of vegetable oil. Then some garlic and ginger paste. I'll give it a mild stir. I'll stir fry for a few seconds. I'm going with some chopped onion. Some curry powder, thyme, and I'll be adding some rosemary and coriander powder. I'll give it a good stir, fry a bit to build a very good aroma before I would now go in with my tomato paste. This one is canned or sachet store-bought tomato paste. For your jollof rice to come out with good color and texture, tomato paste has to be included in your recipe. We continue frying the tomato paste until it looks well fried and dried just like this. Time to add the blended pepper mixture into the pot. After adding, stir to combine very well and fry on low heat until well dried. Don't go far from your pot. You stir at intervals. We'll be adding some seasoning powder, some salt to taste, then we'll cover to cook for 2 minutes. Open and stir after 2 minutes. Make sure to fry your tomatoes very well. That is the secret of jollof rice. You cover to cook for some more minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, open to stir. Remember, cook this on low heat. After this, the next thing to do is to add in the rice. I've already washed my rice. I washed and soaked the rice in hot water for 10 minutes. The washed rice goes into the pot. If you're new to this channel and you love my recipes, don't forget to give me a like, share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing food recipes. Easy food recipes. After the rice, we'll be adding the rest of the ingredients for this recipe. To make this jollof rice, we'll be needing some meat stock. Then we throw in some bay leaves for that party jollof flavor and aroma. I'll be adding a little more water to cook this rice. When making jollof rice, be careful not to add too much water, as you don't want your rice to go soggy. So I'll just mix very well to combine. Turn and mix properly. I'll be adding some seasoning cube. Then give it a stir. I think I will need more bay leaf. Let me taste. I'll throw in 2 more bay leaves. Then cover to cook. Cook on low heat. Low heat. Add a little more water. Just a little water. Then I will give it a raise. Put my spoon and raise underneath. Let the water run under the rice to steam cook. Cook your jollof rice on very low heat. Then I'll raise again. This is an easy recipe. A very easy steps you can follow to achieve a very delicious Nigerian smoky party jollof rice. This recipe is beautiful. Then we'll be garnishing this jollof rice with some fresh peas. So I will be adding the peas, cover it to steam with the rice. At this point, our jollof rice is almost cooked. I'll give it a raise again. When cooking your jollof rice, don't stir too much. Just raise. Put your spoon and raise it. Now I'll take some, use my hand to press to check how soft it is. It's done. So I'll be adding some sliced onion for garnishing and some spring onions. Cover to steam for 1 minute. Our delicious jollof rice is cooked. So now it's time to mix. We're going to stir very well now to mix, to combine well. Mix the jollof rice very well. The smoke, you can see the smoke is coming out from beneath, under the bottom pot. To achieve that smoky party jollof rice, you allow your rice to burn a little. Allow the bottom to burn a little so that it will bring out that smoke and flavor of that perfect Niger party jollof. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.